Okay, everybody, I'm gonna see if I can get some fireworks. July 4, 2021. Should have gotten here earlier because they were going higher and they were bigger. Oh, there's one. There's 3 different directions. Maybe I should try different. Now there's a big tree blocking the other direction and a bunch of little trees blocking the other, and a building blocking the low ones on this direction. Unless they start going higher again. Ooh. I gotta get that other direction. I'll go on the other side of the tree. Hopefully I don't walk in any dog crap. Okay, there's some big ones going up over here. Till I walk over here, of course. See, there's a big tree if you can see it. That was blocking the way. Right now they got some little ones over there. Oh, shoot. When I turned my head, there was a big one over there. You probably heard the boom. And the mosquitoes are getting me because I didn't put any spray on. Oh well. Well, sure when I look the other way. Okay. That's it for me. Too many mosquitoes. Hope everybody enjoyed their 4th. Bye for now.